Hey guys, this is Priya and you're watching Droidpedia Academy. Welcome back to my channel. So as the title of the video suggests, today let us understand on how we can export information of Firebase to a JSON file and import it to another project. Let's go. Let's log into Firebase. Click on Go to Console. Choose the project of your choice. Go to real-time database. So this is the information that I have. In order to export it to a JSON file, click on these three dots. Click on Export JSON. Let us give it a name. Let's say sample. Now click on it. You'll be able to see the information. Now let's import this into another project. Click on this drop down. Go to See All Projects. Add project. Give a name. Let's say YouTube. Continue. Disable. Create project. This might take a couple of seconds, so wait for it. Alright, my project is now ready. Click on continue. Now as we imported real-time database, let's go to real-time database. Click on create database. Do test mode, enable. Click on these three dots and import JSON. Browse, choose the file, open, import. There you go. You have your information successfully imported. Now you can use this for your choice of project. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please do share this video for people who actually need it. And if you didn't like, bindas, give it a thumbs down. I wouldn't mind that. And if there's any suggestions that you want to give, let me know in the comment section down below. Would love to make one video as such, and I'm coming up with a new series, so stay tuned for it. See you guys in the next video. Until then, enjoy coding. Bye.